Beef sales are taking a hard hit as Canada's worst beef recall in history continues to expand. The Canadian Food Inspection Agency has announced that the Brooks, Alberta processing plant can resume limited operations, even as the list of recalled XL Foods products continues to grow. Joining us today to give some more insight on the industrialized food process in Canada is Richard Verdella, a business operations management instructor at BCIT. Thanks for joining us today, Richard.
Nice to be here.
With the final recall lasting from coast to coast, how does a foodborne illness of this magnitude occur?
Well, modern food safety programs try and identify risks and control those risks at key points. Inspection has kind of evolved as one of our preferred options, but there's a big difference between inspection and detection. We have the tests available, however, in a huge industrial setting like this one, the small volume of contaminant and the huge volume of product make it very, very difficult. And these periodic outbreaks tell us that inspection is not enough. In fact, it has to be built into the product and process.
Okay, with what you know about processes, have we reached the end of this thing? How far does the rabbit hole go?
Well, it's difficult to tell because the mechanisms change. So for instance, an example with hamburger meat, we know the connection there. As we've tenderized steaks and roast, we've realized that we drive the pathogen into the meat, and therefore now we have a new mechanism, new sets of risks, new controls are necessary to do it.
Wow. And if our viewers want any more information, where can they go?
Well, there's lots of information out on the CFIA website that says what are the recalled products and what they need to do with them.
Great. Thanks so much for joining us today, Richard.
You're welcome.
The days of an iconic bowling alley in Vancouver's West Side may be numbered. A new development in the area could see commercial property in its place, but bowlers and community members are striking back. Roop Dosanjh has the story.